Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's keep watching over the Bitcoin market. And as was discussed last time, so in general we have the bearish setup on the weekly chart, but the concern was about short-term performance, so whether the market will show some pullback before double ripple starts working, or we could get straightforward downward action. Today, Bitcoin performance stands significantly much weaker than other markets. As we discussed today on the gold market performance, euro currency performance, recently United States assets and market has shown the weakness. You could see that the bond market has dropped, dollar is dropping, and other markets react correspondingly. Euro is rising, Great British pound, and so on. But on the Bitcoin, we do not see this reaction. This is first moment. Second moment is the market performance around the support. So if you remember, we said that market, this is hourly chart, we said that market completes a kind of the flat godly stipple to buy. And we said that if pullback will start, probably it should start somewhere from this 95.50 area. So the bulls could consider, scalp traders could consider possible scalp long positions with minor pullback. But this will be very short-term temporal reaction. Just on this pattern, we are not considering reversal. We just intend to use this possible rally, some retracement for potential taking of the short position. And you can see what the performance market was showing here. So it can't just jump out from this support. Any attempt to do this, first attempt has failed, second attempt has failed. So market right now looks actually heavy. So it can't show even the minor retracement as we suggest. So on the fall time frame chart, recall this picture, so maybe the 618, here we already have cut the possible targets. So initially we talked about this possible A, B, C, D, but then by the reasons that we have explained last time, we start considering 102.50 area and just 618 minor extension. But you can see that market right now can't show even this minor extension. So that makes me think that downside action could start earlier and without any more extended upward action, which means that in the current circumstances, I wouldn't consider taking new long position here, and I wouldn't suggest this type of action anymore. Besides, if you take a look at the daily chart, you will see that here we could get the bearish grabber to be formed by the end of this session. Grabber suggests taking out at least lows. This in turn stands in favor of the big weekly double repo pattern and suggests drop and testing of these lows once again, at least. Although in potential it might be even more extended downside action somewhere back to the 80 area. If this will happen, the lows will be the first target, not because it's some significant extension or something, but just because market stands at the result here. So you consider the result level agrees with the same area. That's why this will be first area where the market could stop around 19 even, 1992. So that was what we have currently on the Bitcoin market. At this point, with this potential grabber on the back and the way how market responds to the support here, which we think really weak, we're not speaking about any upside A, B, C, D anymore. So that's the first moment that we need to keep an eye on. For a short position taken, if we will get the confirmation of this grabber today, and also pay attention that Bitcoin behaves absolutely different compared to the euro and other markets. So if we will have the grabber here, potentially it might be interesting to consider taking the short position with the double repo pattern. So that's towards what I see currently on the Bitcoin market. For some insurance, maybe trying to take the position gradually with this weekly pattern if you would like to. So although we see the weakness here, but maybe it makes sense to take the position with not the full lot, your trading lot. Just take the 35-40% and see what will happen. If somehow background will change and Bitcoin still will show this pullback, well, you add more on the higher levels. But don't consider at least the long position by far until the grabber on the daily chart is valid, and especially if it will be confirmed. So that's our 2 cents on the Bitcoin market. Let's keep watching.